Ego versus soul and intuition. How do we begin to distinguish between the two? And how do we begin to operate not out of our ego, but instead out of our soul and intuition? So the process is one of slowing down, okay? So one of the first things to recognize is the state of which you find yourself. And so we just want to take a couple deep breaths and begin to slow down. We're breathing in through our nose, out through our mouth. A little bit longer exhale than inhale. Understand that when we're in a state of fight or flight, there's a state of reactivity. That's where the ego is going to kick in. That's that subconscious that is kicking in that says, I need to take action now. I need to respond now to that text, to that email, in this moment, speak to someone. And when we're doing that, that's coming out of that ego, that subconscious response that is just based on past experiences and the need to try to keep safe. Respond now, take care of it. And that's ego, so we'll put that aside. We'll breathe in, exhale. We want to get in touch with our soul, our intuition, which takes slowing down, which takes nervous system regulation to just bring a peace to our system. To do that, I want to invite you to tap on some pressure points. We're just, again, working with our body to help our body become aware of the present moment, to help the mind stop spinning, to stop reflecting on what occurred and what we think we need to do, but to come back to the present moment, slow down, and allow our intuition and soul to come to the forefront so that we can make the best decisions possible. Okay, begin above your eyebrow, tapping. I'm in this moment. I do not need to make a decision right now. Temple, I can relax, I can stop, I can pause. Cheekbone, I come back to the present moment. I want to settle and come back to my best self. Blow your nose. I am strong. I am capable. I can make wise decisions. Above your chin. I am gifted. All the wisdom that I need is available to me. Okay, I just want to unwind. Now I want to take time to begin to release that reactivity. So I want you to find your collarbone right below that with these two fingers. And I want you to go on the left side to begin with. Two fingers. I'm going out the collarbone to where it meets the shoulder, and I'm just digging into this pressure point. Just breathe and dig in and rub that circles. I want to discharge this reactivity, so I'm touching this pressure point, which can hold frustration, anxiety, grief, just a lack of peace. I want to dig into that, and now I want to take it out. Pushing it out, my hand, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to release it out my fingers into the earth. Let's go to the other side. Find that collarbone, go over, dig in, into this pressure point. Into this pressure point. This reactivity, I'm just releasing, letting go. I'm gathering it from within my system. From within my system, I am safe. Take it. Splash it out. that reactivity go. You feel in your body, where might that reactivity still be? And we just tap on that. Tap on that area. It's in your chest. Maybe it's in the middle of your chest. Maybe it's in your gut. Maybe you're feeling it in a muscle somewhere else. Maybe it's a headache. You can tap on those pieces. Just tap. Tapping will bring ourselves back to the present moment. We'll bring blood flow, circulation to that point. Just helping ourselves to know, in this moment, I'm okay. In this moment, I'm okay. I don't need to respond right now. And I want to let go of that reactivity. Okay, so you've got that with moving. We want to move it out of you. So again, let's go to that collarbone. Push it out. Dig in. Shoulder and collarbone intersection, pressure point. Pull it up. Let's release. Out. Just feel that go out. Pressure point over, dig in. And out. Okay. Now, to bring in, we've let go of that reactivity, and we want to bring in just a sense of peace to our system. Finish calming our mind. So we want to take our middle finger right between our eyes above our eyebrow, put the other index finger there. Dig in, press in, and pull out. Okay, now come back and go up 2 finger widths higher. Pull out. Go up 1 more. Pull out your hairline. Just pull that out. Okay. I want you to tap on top of your head. Continue to breathe. Just letting that reactivity out, bringing in peace. Now I'm going down the back of my head. Back of your head tapping. All 4 fingers, 8 fingers. To your neck. Tap back of your neck. Come out around below your ear. Tap. Your vagus nerve, that's the key kingpin of your nervous system, runs from the base of your spine, the back of your neck there, all the way down to your hips. And so we want to just bring some calm and peace to that. Okay, got that. Now, grab 2 fingers, one in front of your ear, one behind your ear, and you're gonna find that muscle. It's right behind. Pull down. Just massaging that. Pull down and turn into it. Yeah. Switch to the other side. You might yawn. That's a sign of your nervous system coming back into peace, coming back into regulation from dysregulation, letting go of that reactivity. And pull down. So again, we want to operate out of our intuition and our soul. To do that, we slow down and we let go of reactivity. Reactivity is going to be that fight or flight response, and so we want to calm that. That's coming from our nervous system saying this isn't safe. I need to take action. And yet that's based on past experiences where we might not have had power and agency to act. We're letting go of that. We're discharging that from our system. And we're coming back into a present moment, helping our body to calm. And that flows up as emotions go out to our mind. It can be a peace. And then we can begin to reflect on our deepest strength, what's within us, to say our intuition from our soul is saying how we can respond. There is a way. There is possibilities. Okay, so you can go through that, the tapping, the discharging, pulling it up and letting it go, and then bringing your peace in and calming that vagus nerve to come back to the present moment. All right, So hopefully that's going to be helpful to you in walking you through not responding and answering out of reactivity of your ego, but instead out of your deepest true self and your soul, your intuition. All right, we'll see you next time.